Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims, and I am asking you a question today. Have you ever been in a situation where the insurance company is arguing with you and telling you that you're wrong? That's what we're going to explore in today's Denial of the Day. From day one, the insurance company argued with me about the extent of the damage. This is from Ben. And refused by estimates and would not allow me to submit evidence to support the repairs. You can't do that. Had to be made, which were well in excess of the coverage and should have gone into the endorsements I had purchased with provided additional coverage. So it must have been a big claim. If you're going past the overall coverage into extra special coverage, and I'm just assuming that's a really big claim, and the insurance company is not allowing you to submit photos and evidence to prove the damage, which is part of the requirement of the insured. Well, that is a big no-no. You need to get somebody involved. Sometimes it's a public insurance adjuster, sometimes it's an attorney, depending on how egregious it is, what violations that the insurance company is committing right now with your claim. If it's so bad, you might need to just go directly to an attorney. Other times, a public insurance adjuster can help. We had a client who'd been trying to reach his adjuster for 6 months. He waited way too long to get us involved. We literally submitted our letter of representation, and within 2 hours, the adjuster had called us, set up an appointment for a week later. I think it was like less than a week, so it was like 6 days later. 2 hours we got the call. Went out and met with them already and working on getting the estimate increased for the true damage to the property that has been repaired/replaced. So I submit to you, when the insurance company is being so unfair, most people are just so frustrated that they want to give up. Don't give up. They're wanting you to give up. If you give up, the insurance company wins. We don't want that. We don't want the insurance company to win, ever. Unless rightfully so. Okay, like I've gotten involved in claims where I'm like, hey, I'm just not seeing the damage that you're seeing, and I can't defend my position in the claim based on what I'm seeing. So sometimes I bow out and let somebody else take it, or just give my opinion and say, hey, unfortunately, I can't help you. So in situations where we think we can win the claim for you, we're not gonna give up. We don't give up because that's what the insurance company wants us to do. So if you're in a situation that you have a claim that's not being paid fully, fairly, okay, and it's either being denied or delayed or diminished, meaning underpaid, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.